Welcome to Adya's App Studio. In this video, we will show you how you can connect the flows you've built in Agent Studio and use them in App Studio to generate a complete user interface for your application. Once you log into the platform, navigate to the Agent Studio here. Users can see all the flows that are already created for their project. For this demonstration, we'll simply select an existing flow. We'll use the Weather Agent flow. Before we generate an application from it, let's quickly understand what this flow does. On the screen, you can see a Weather Agent flow. It starts with a chat input, where the user asks a weather-related question. That input is sent to the OpenWeather server, which fetches real-time weather data. The response is then passed to the Azure OpenAI model, which formats and explains the information in a clear, user-friendly way. Finally, the result is shown back to the user through the chat output. Now that we understand the flow, we're ready to turn it into an application. Once selected, click on Generate UI. As soon as you click Generate UI, you're automatically redirected to App Studio interface. This is where your flow starts becoming a real application. You can directly start building an application for your flow through simple prompts, or you can navigate to the App Studio. From there, open the Apps module and click on Create New Application. You can choose whether you want to build your app using a single agent or a multi-agent approach. After making your selection, click Create Application to continue. Next, configure your agent by selecting the LLM provider and entering the required API keys. When you click Save, App Studio establishes a secure connection with the selected LLM provider, and your agent is ready to use. To connect your flows, click on the plus icon and select Connect Flows. Here, you can choose from both deployed and non-deployed flows. Select the project, choose the flow you want to use, and click Save. The selected flow will now appear as an attachment inside the prompt box. With the flow connected, you can now generate a UI for your application. App Studio will ask whether you want to build a React application or a Next.js application. After selecting your preferred framework, click Submit to continue. App Studio will first generate a detailed product requirement document, followed by a technical architecture document. Once that's complete, it starts generating the application code for you. After the code generation is finished, you can go to the preview section to see how your UI looks and interacts with the connected flow. That's it. You've successfully connected Agent Studio flows to App Studio and created a fully functional UI with just a few steps. Thanks for watching.